kami lamig doon.
1, 2, 3. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Ay nga! Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Touchdown Hong Kong.
Pumunta lang ng QC.
Oo nga, 2-hour drive. We just arrived here around magti-12 na. It was a 2-hour flight. And we are flying for a vacation with the family and my in-laws and with the husband. Yay, we're here.
A traveler.
Where
Are we there yet?
Yes.
Pagod na ako. Start pa lang, di pa nakapuntang Airbnb. Hindi ako na maglakad.
To the big tram, tapos nag-book kami through Klook. So, super easy lang. May Klook gaya na. I'll see you there! Dito na kami sa Peak Tower. Included dun sa package ng Klook. Na yun nga, sakay sa Peak Tram, tapos magliliwaliw kayo dito sa mall, and then merong mga picture-picture taking. Sa akin sa pinakatuktok, ito yung makikitang view. And then, that's it. Cable car. Binook din namin to through Klook. Kukunin na namin yung tickets, and then there's a special booth for Klook. Tapos sumakay sa cable car, ito yung bababaan. So parang may replica ng village dito. So pwede ka mag-lunch, buy souvenirs. Here. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. May mga kainan din dito. We went here around lunch. It's 11:30 a.m. So, dito na kami magla-lunch and then merong trip din pabalik. It ends at 6:30 p.m. Yun yung last trip. Tapos, pagbalik, doon na yung mga outlet stores sa City Gate mo. Japanese, may kebabs,
May Subway!
may Subway. Cute, pangbigan na. So we went here by shuttle kasi nag-book kami originally through Klook dahil nga sa protest for the MTR. So supposedly makakarating din kayo dito through MTR, but then again we booked through Klook. So sinundo kami ng coach around siguro mga 2 blocks away from the house. And then ayun, coach na siya from Yaumate to here. It took us around 30 to 40 minutes. Tapos okay na. Tapos andito na. Medyo konti lang yung tao compared sa nung pumunta kami 2 years ago.
Follow me on YouTube. Yes. JP Adela. OFW content.
Here inside Disneyland and sobrang konti ng tao, swear, on a Sunday. Nung pumunta kami dito last time, on a weekday, sobrang hindi mo makikita tong daan na yan. Sobrang daming tao. Ngayon, wala. We have a good weather today. Yehey. Hindi super init.
Super init.
Although medyo humid. At least hindi ultra sunny.
Pawis na yung kilikili ko.
Pawis na yung ilong ko. Doon, Ironman experience. Tapos paglabas mo, Expo shop. Pero kung gusto mong mag-shopping lang muna, dito lang. Next is sa Ironman experience. Mukhang wala ring pila. So exciting. Kaya walang tao. It's 1:30 and magla-lunch na kami. Starliner Diner for lunch. We're eating here instead kasi we wanted rice. Sarado na yung ibang rides.
Okay, so
I miss Grizzly Gulch.
I've gone from pain to
Being numb.
intense pain to excruciating pain, and now my legs are numb. I'm gonna feel this tomorrow, and
Massage pag
I wanna go home. I miss you, mommy. Saan pala namin si mami?
I miss you, Mama.
I miss you, mama na lang.
The
I miss
Lana
you, mama.
family so much.
Tired.
Tired. So you went na October. Here's the themed. So nagkaroon lang kami ng slight hiccup. Galing kami ng Disneyland. Tapos supposedly we will take the MTR going to Yaumate. It's where our house is. Tapos biglang nag-announce sila na magko-close na yung tracks or yung train. So wala na mga stops from Sunny Bay ata, Liking going to our station. So long story short, nasa kabilang island na naman kami, and we tried taking the taxi, pero ayaw nila kami i-accommodate going to Yaumate kasi may nagsabi na closed na daw yung mga streets dahil sa protests. So now, ang option namin is to take the ferry. Hindi pa namin sure kung paano namin gagawin yun, pero I'll update you later. So, itatry ulit namin mag-train pabalik. Ibang line naman. So, let's see. Nakasakay kami ng bus kahit pa paano. We are alive. Lapit na magsubahan. We are home safe. Thank you. Star Lana.